In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio. If you're ready to harness the power of AI-assisted coding, you'll want to follow along closely as we delve into the steps needed to get everything set up and running smoothly in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's ensure you have Visual Studio 2022 or later installed on your computer. This is crucial because GitHub Copilot is designed to work seamlessly with the newer versions of Visual Studio. Once your environment is ready, fire up Visual Studio. You'll be greeted by your familiar coding workspace ready to guide you through the incredible features of Copilot. Next, you'll want to set your sights on the Extensions menu. Navigate over to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. This section is where you can add numerous tools and features to enhance your Visual Studio experience. It's like setting up your own personal dev workbench. Here's where the magic starts. In the search bar, type in GitHub Copilot. You might feel like a kid in a candy store with all the options available, but focus on finding GitHub Copilot. Once it appears in the list, go ahead and click the download button. The process is straightforward and doesn't take too long, but make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth download. Now, with the Copilot extension downloaded, you'll need to restart Visual Studio to finalize the installation. Think of it as hitting the refresh button to revitalize your workspace with all the new capabilities Copilot offers. Upon restarting, it's time to sign in with your GitHub account. This is an essential step because GitHub Copilot requires an active subscription tied to your account, so make sure your credentials are at the ready to log in effortlessly. Now with Copilot in action, let's load up or create a new code file. This could be anything you're currently working on or perhaps something new you'd like to experiment with. Launching into your file, start typing as you normally would. You'll notice immediately that Copilot springs into action, offering suggestions that can speed up your coding process significantly. It's a bit like having an adept coding buddy watching over your shoulder. When Copilot provides suggestions, you have the flexibility to accept or disregard them. If you like what you see, press Tab to embrace Copilot's proposal. If not, simply press Esca. This intuitive interaction keeps you in control, ensuring the code aligns with your vision. Sometimes you'll want to explore multiple suggestions Copilot provides. Use Alt combined with the right bracket key to see additional options or the left bracket key to go back. It's like flipping through a virtual index of possibilities until you find the perfect fit. So there you have it. You now know how to equip your Visual Studio setup with GitHub Copilot, enabling a seamless AI-augmented coding experience. Happy coding, and let the creative coding commence.